Welcome back to our daily BTC update. Today, we're diving into the current state of Bitcoin and its recent price movements. As we take a look at the Bitcoin charts, it's evident that the market is experiencing a period of sideways movement. The price of BTC has been fluctuating within a specific range, following a recent dump in its value. Despite the sideways movement, there's no need for excessive concern at the moment. It's crucial to keep an eye on the bigger picture. The key factor to watch is whether Bitcoin manages to hold the major support area. The major support area plays a significant role in determining the overall market sentiment. If Bitcoin can maintain its position above this support level, it could indicate a potential reversal or stabilization in the price. In conclusion, while Bitcoin may be moving sideways and there was a recent dump, it's important to remember the importance of the major support area. Keeping a close watch on this support level will provide valuable insights into the future direction of BTC's price. That's it for today's BTC Daily Update. Make sure to subscribe for more cryptocurrency news and insights. Until next time, happy trading.